Hello, I welcome you all. I am Mohammad Akbar Hassan representing Briddhi Society for Humanity. We believe in peace and prosperity. We believe in peace. We don't believe in killing. My question is, the whole world is so volatile, so hostile, and they become more focused to kill people in the world. Why? Why you want to kill people? Not only people, even the children is not being spared. Why? Look at this photograph which I am showing you. The people of Palestine, they are killed like anything. Look at this photograph, the devastation of Palestine. Why? Why you peoples are doing this? Even in Israel, we don't believe in destructions. We believe in prosperity of the world. We believe the people have the rights to live in this world, not to die, even a soldier. I request, from a very small corner of the world from Bangladesh, I request each and every, the leaders of the world, to come forward, unite together, and let there be no war. We believe in peace, and you establish peace with your dignity. If you don't have the dignity to stop the war, then you don't say that you're a leader of the world. The leader of the world must look into the prosperity of the world, prosperity of the people of the world. If you cannot do it, it is shameful for us. The leaders of the world cannot unite people together to live together with peace and prosperity. We humbly request the leaders of the world, please come forward, stop war, let there be peace. We're born in this world to live but not to die, even a soldier. We beg you leaders, to stop this war and let us live with a wonderful smile and let the world smile too. Thank you.